In this video, I'm going to be comparing and just telling you a brief overview about what the difference and which one is better. But to start it off, what Talescale is it's basically a peer-to-peer mesh VPN that was built on WireGuard, which is another VPN virtual private network application out there, and it's designed to simply prevent networks with minimal configuration. Now, the strengths of Talescale are it's extremely easy to set up and configure and just deploy on all of your devices, and if you are using it in a business or a ton of people, it is really easy to just set up and use in general. It has really fast speeds and really high speed security, so everything you do is just extremely secure, and it's just really quick to respond to that. It has automatic key management, meaning it handles all rotations and distribution seamlessly when you're actually using it, so it appears that you're not even on a VPN, just like you're on your normal network. And it does this really well across all of the devices, which I think is a major strength to this VPN. And it also integrates with identity providers, which is Google Workspace, Microsoft Autica, and any other providers like so. Now, just really good because you can use it on pretty much anything flawlessly. And of course, the best part is it doesn't cost any money. It's completely free, which is actually shocking, which is why I think it's ideal for individuals, small teams, and developers who are in need for fast and secure devices or services in a straightforward way. That's a good thing about this VPN. Now, when it comes to Twingate, a zero-trust network access solution focused on secure, scalable, remote access to resources without using a traditional VPN. So this is basically not a traditional VPN, which gives it some strengths, of course, as well as some weaknesses. We're going to start with the strengths. Now, what this is it's a zero-trust model focusing on providing at least privileged access based on user identity. It's really easy to deploy and just put on and just put IT to manage and just for teams to manage this VPN in general. It's great on the cloud, and it's optimized for speed and direct connections when possible. Now, direct connections, if you are going for direct connections, you should probably use zero tier, but if you are going for speed, you should definitely use Talescale because it's just one of the faster VPNs in general. When it comes to limitations, it does cost a pretty penny. Depending on your corporation or if you're using it for individuals, it can cost quite slightly different amounts, and it might not be as dependable when it comes to management, like managing on consoles and setup. So if you're going to use setup, if you want an easy setup, I just recommend using Talescale. It's the easiest to set up overall. But my final thoughts are choose Talescale if you need simple, lightweight, and fast ways to connect devices securely. Choose zero tier if you require advanced networking features like layer 2 capabilities. And select Twingate if you're focused enterprise gate, zero trust remote access with strict security policies. Now, those are my final thoughts, and here's a table on screen that I've actually created and done some research on if you are looking at the certain specs on it. But yeah, overall, I'd recommend just going through this table and deciding which one is the best VPN for you. But yeah, without further ado, that's the video.